everyone! Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel! If you are new here, I'm a public school teacher and now an Ukay online seller. Sharing my journey and tips with you all. Today's episode is special because I know marami sa inyo ang curious kung paano magsimula ng Ukay business online. Don't worry! I got you covered. I will be sharing tips and tricks para sa inyo. Kahit walang physical store just like me. So, let's get started! First tip, find a reliable supplier. Kung gusto mong magbenta ng ukay, kailangan alam mo kung saan kukuha ng items. Pwedeng maghanap ka sa local ukay suppliers, wholesale stores, or even direct suppliers sa Baguio or Manila. Kapag beginner ka, start small. Try mo muna ang by the bale or per kilo ukay para hindi masyadong risky. Next, sort and organize your items. Mahalaga ang presentation. I-group mo ang clothes by category. Dresses, tops, bottoms, or trendy pieces. Check din ang quality. Tanggalin ang mga may stains or damages para hindi masira ang reputation mo as a seller. And third, pricing is the key. Dapat fair and competitive ang presyo mo. Research sa ibang sellers para malaman mo ang price range. For example, branded ukay items can be sold at a higher price pero siguraduhing sulit ito sa customer. Fourth tip, choose the right platform. Ako, ginagamit ko ang Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and Facebook. Each platform has its own audience. Kaya, explore mo kung saan mas may demand. Kung gusto mong mas interactive, try live selling. It is a fun way to engage with the customers and sell faster. And lastly, tip number 6, prioritize good customer service. Reply to inquiries as fast as you can. Be polite and always keep your customers updated about their orders. Don't forget to include thank you notes or previous. It's a small gesture that makes a big difference. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, EMWIN Channel. We also have Facebook page, EMWIN Channel, and of course, our page in business, EMWIN Clothing Boutique. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching.
EMWIN Channel.